The art of making Xiaolongbao dates back to the 1870s in Nanxiang Town. The fillings at that time was a secret recipe passed down throughout generations. Some of the historical records were lost because of World War II. In 1958, the Guyiyuan Restaurant resumed business and brought their Xiaolongbao back to the residents of the area. The chefs here have very clear standards for the preparation of dough used to wrap the Xiaolongbao. They select only the best ingredients and are very particular about how the dough is mixed and rolled out.
Now, I'm in Nanxiang, in Jiading district, which is basically the home of the Xiaolongbao here in Shanghai. Now I'm going to go inside and learn how to make this tasty snack. Come along. Well, I'm in the kitchen. It's just after 10 a.m. and as you can see, the staff here are hard at work stuffing Xiaolongbao, getting ready for the midday rush. Now I'm going to learn from a master chef named Ms. Cheng. She's a 7th generation Xiaolongbao chef and she's going to teach me a little bit about how this is done. Chen 老师你好。
你好。
请教我怎么包了，好吧？
好的呀，用这块大拇指根中间厚一点。
你这么重的？
来，不行，拿起来吧。来，放左手。肉馅是皮子的2倍，小笼包一般折在18个左右。你这个试试看。
好。
你少一点，但过去不行。
这样的吗？
对，很好。好，非常好。这手转起来，左手转去，对，好。好。这样你看，大拇指从里面拿出来，在外面，在手指尖上面，你看，还是这样，稍微转一点，把它面粉去那个点，
好，
这就可以了。做的挺好的，做的。
Okay, these are the 4 Xiaolongbao that I managed to make. I'm not going to tell you how long it took me to do this. It's quite embarrassing. The chef here could probably pump out 5 of these racks in the same amount of time it took me to do these 4. She can make one of these things in like 8 to 10 seconds. It's unbelievable. And they look a lot nicer than my pathetic attempt as well.
It took a few minutes to steam my Xiaolongbao.
好，你的小笼包好了，看一下。可以，没有漏汤，你口罩要拿走。
好的。Here we go. This is my first taste of my very first Xiaolongbao. The Xiaolongbao is a soup dumpling. So you poke a hole in it, and then you drain out the soup from the pork that's inside there. So here we go. 如果你们的顾客他们想要打包的，可以保存吗？
可以的，但是小笼包主要是堂食为主，冰箱可以的。
冰箱可以啊，
但是时间长就不好吃了。但加热的话，你是可以微波炉，高火30秒到1分钟，然后可以水蒸，水烧开蒸5分钟。
Well, it's 11 a.m. now, and the place is starting to fill up. By noon, it will be jammed. In fact, there'll be people waiting to get a table in here. It's that popular.
你为什么来这里，在那个南巷吃小笼包？
南巷的正宗呀，正宗的小笼。
Today I made the traditional pork flavor. Although all Xiaolongbao are technically pork-based, the chefs here have tried a variety of flavors, such as egg yolk, bamboo shoot, shrimp, and even banana. Some are also wrapped in colorful dough. The colors are all from natural sources. The red dough is made from dragon fruit, and the green is from spinach.